Tuna and potato salad. 800 grams new potatoes scrubbed, you can peel them if you want. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 garlic clove crushed. 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. 1 small red onion chopped, although I prefer it sliced, as you'll see later. A 200 gram canned tuna in spring water. Don't make sure you don't get it in oil, certainly. 2 handfuls of cherry tomatoes halved. A quarter of a cucumber chopped. A pinch of ground black pepper and basil leaves to garnish, if you want. 1 large bowl. 1 bottle of lemon juice. And we want 2 tablespoons add to that the crushed garlic with clean hands, obviously, the onions, which I say I've sliced rather than chopped, and the parsley. So get that in there, give it a good mix round, get it all coated, and then I've got the potatoes. These I've cooked earlier. They've cooled slightly, but they're still warm to the touch. I'm going to add them into here and stir it around. Now the potatoes, while they're warm, will absorb quite a lot of the juice, so they'll combine it with it, combine the flavours. So once you've got that all mixed up well, just set it aside for 5-10 minutes just to let it cool down. Now that these are cooled down a bit, we add the rest of the ingredients. The tuna, I've just flaked it with a fork to break it all up. Put it in. A couple of handfuls of cherry tomatoes halved, just put those in. Cucumber. And a twist of pepper. Give it a stir around. And just garnish with a few basil leaves, just roughly torn, and it's done.